Major stock indexes in Asia closed lower today amid ongoing trade disputes. South Korea's benchmark KOSPI fell below the 2,000-point mark, while Japan's stock index dropped over 2% sharply after Japan officially took South Korea off its whitelist. Our Lee Min-sun reports.
The benchmark KOSPI closed today below the 2,000-point mark for the first time in 7 months. After opening weaker on early Friday morning, it recovered above the 2,000-point mark during the midday trading, but closed at 1,998.13, losing 0.95%. Foreign investors sold more than 390 billion won worth of shares, while local institutions and individuals bought up more than 375 billion won worth of shares themselves. The ongoing trade conflict and geopolitical issues also dragged down the secondary KOSDAQ index. It shed more than 1% to close at 615.70.
The political issues are continuing to put pressures on the Korean equity market. If you look at the overall economic growth rate of Korea, it has slowed down quite significantly to below 2% point. This kind of political issue transferring into economic issues that makes growth rate slowing down to be more lasting into the second half of this year.
It wasn't just Korean stocks that suffered. Major indexes in Asia also dropped significantly. China's benchmark Shanghai Composite dropped 1.4%, while Japan's Nikkei dipped 2.1%, losing more than 450 points.
The main reason for that is because of the continuation of the trade dispute that's happening amongst the countries. Clearly, the concerns about the economic trade is there, and that it will result into somewhat of drop of the GDP growth rate. And if this kind of thing continues amongst all the countries, including Korea, Japan, and China, and US, and maybe even Europe, this will put some dent onto the sentiment of the overall economic growth rate as well as the market trend.
The Korean won plunged to a more than 2-year low against the US dollar on Friday to close at 1,198 won to the dollar. The Japanese yen also weakened sharply to drop more than 2.6% against the Korean won. Lee Min-sun, Arirang News.